Namaste, this is Dr. Rashmiya. In this video, we'll see how to install Power BI into our systems. By following very few simple steps, we can easily install Power BI. Let's get in. What is Power BI? Let's see this first. Power BI is a product of Microsoft itself. It is a data visualization platform. Power BI Desktop is a component of Power BI Suite. Other components are also available. It is an integration of Power Queries, Power Pivots, and Power Views. It lets you to build advanced queries, models, and reports with Power BI Desktop. It is easy to implement advanced skill in data analytics. Now, let's begin how installation to be done. Go to Google. In search bar, type Power BI and click enter. In the first link, click this. Okay, here go to products, Power BI, desktop. You can use download free or this see download or language options. Let's experience this option. You can select the language what is required. As of now, English. Yeah. Here we need to select the setup file required for the field system, 32-bit or 64-bit or other systems. So we will select this 64-bit and click on download button. It takes few minutes. After completing the download, the file will be present in our system downloads. From system downloads, I have pasted the file on the desktop. We will double click this. Click OK button. Click next. Check this. Click next. Desktop icon will be created. Click install button. Yeah, after completing the installation process, we can see this window. Click finish button. You can, as soon as our installation process has completed, we can see this screen. We will close this. Yeah, this is our Power BI desktop screen where you can import files, source files, and you can start experiencing this platform. Here in Get Data, multiple sources are allowed. See Excel, from other servers, SQL servers also. You can import the source into this platform, or else if you click on more, yeah, complete source details can be seen here. Even from Excel database you can get the source. So this is how you can install your file Power BI desktop into your system. Thank you.